హాయ్ ఫ్రెండ్స్, మీరు మన ఛానల్ని ఫస్ట్ టైం చూస్తున్నట్లయితే వెంటనే సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి, లైక్ చేయండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ. ఈరోజు మన వీడియోలో డిసెంబర్ నెలలో ఇంపార్టెంట్ డేస్ గురించి ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తున్నాను. డిసెంబర్ 1 వరల్డ్ ఎయిడ్స్ డే. టు రైజ్ అవేర్నెస్ అబౌట్ హెచ్ఐవి ఆర్ ఎయిడ్స్, ద డే ఈజ్ సెలబ్రేటింగ్. డిసెంబర్ 2 నేషనల్ పొల్యూషన్ కంట్రోల్ డే. ఇట్ ఈస్ సెలబ్రేటింగ్ ఇన్ ఇండియా. It is in memory of Bhopal case tragedy victims. December 3rd, International Day of Persons with Disability. Importance to promote rights and well-being of persons with disabilities. December 4th, Indian Navy Day. It is celebrating to honor achievements of Indian Navy. December 5th, Old Soil Day. To raise awareness about the importance of soil health, it is celebrating. December 7th, Armed Forces Flag Day in India. December 9th, International Anti-Corruption Day. December 10th, Human Rights Day. December 11th, International Mountain Day. December 14th, National Energy Conservation Day. It is celebrating in India. 16th December, Vijay Diwas. It is also celebrating in India. December 18th, International Migrants Day. December 19th, Goa Liberation Day. It is also celebrating especially in India. December 20th, International Human Solidarity Day. December 22nd, National Mathematics Day in India. December 23rd, Kisan Diwas Day. That is also called as Farmers Day. December 24th, National Consumer Rights Day. It is also celebrating in India. December 25th, Christmas Day. It is celebrating worldwide. December 31st, New Year's event. That is also celebrating worldwide. Thank you for learning here. For more updates, follow my channel. Thank you.